AME presents AMESPHERE VISTA, the vehicle pedestrian anti-collision solution that combines the precision of LPS technology with the advanced vision of AI cameras. A system designed to ensure maximum safety and efficiency, capable of detecting and signaling risks between vehicles and pedestrians, with or without tags, as well as between vehicles themselves. Visual alerts, acoustic signals, or automatic slowdown, everything is managed through a single, intuitive display. The solution includes 3 cameras, an LPS sensor, and a tablet that displays real-time alerts and enables quick, easy configuration. The personal tag, assigned to all or only selected operators, detects their position around the vehicle and warns them in real time in case of danger using light and vibration. The LPS tag, battery-powered and wirelessly rechargeable, is verified at the plant entrance through a checkpoint, which can be connected to turnstiles or doors to manage access. When the driver gets on the vehicle, the tag automatically disables itself and reactivates when they step off, preventing false alarms and maintaining operational safety. In vehicle-pedestrian interactions, AMESPHERE VISTA integrates LPS with AI cameras. The cameras detect personnel even without a tag, displaying yellow icons for pre-warning and red icons for warning, or showing the live video feed. Another feature allows the driver, during a maneuver, to tap the icon on the display to view the corresponding camera's live video for 10 seconds, giving full visibility of the area around the vehicle. With the LPS tag, pedestrian position is detected with centimeter-level accuracy, even behind pallets, loads, or infrastructure. All information is integrated into a single display, ensuring continuous safety and more aware driving. The system can operate in area mode or adaptive mode. In area mode, LPS technology allows custom safety zones to be defined by size and shape, triggering visual and acoustic alerts and automatic vehicle slowdown. In adaptive mode, the system starts from a safe area and dynamically adjusts its detection range based on speed and direction, signaling only real danger solutions. Vehicle detection is based on LPS technology, precise and reliable even in curves, blind spots, or low visibility areas. The system can operate in area mode or adaptive mode. In area mode, it defines customized alert zones, triggering visual and acoustic alerts and, when necessary, automatic vehicle slowdown. In adaptive mode, AMESPHERE VISTA starts from a safe area when the vehicle is stationary and automatically adjusts the detection range based on speed, direction, and braking distance. This allows the system to anticipate hazards and intervene only in case of real risk, ensuring both safety and efficiency. AMESPHERE VISTA also safely manages the presence of external personnel, drivers, suppliers, or visitors. With a simple access procedure, a tag is assigned to the person, allowing the system to detect them and ensure maximum safety during their stay on site. With AMESPHERE VISTA, the integration of multiple technologies into a single interface ensures the highest level of safety for both people and vehicles. The system objectively measures the level of risk and transforms collected data into strategic insights, enabling increasingly data-driven decisions aimed at improving workplace safety and efficiency.